You guys, it's your girl Michelle. Today's video, I want to talk about something that has been on my mind. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems like every time I turn on the TV or open up a magazine, listen to the radio, I get the news that kids are dying. So I want to talk about life insurance for our kids. So in this video, I want to talk a little bit about the benefits of having life insurance for kids. So maybe when you think of life insurance, you think of life insurance for adults who've got older dependents or those with significant financial obligations. However, that is so far from the truth. And there's several reasons why we need to start thinking about life insurance for our kids. So I want to talk about the different types of life insurance policy, the benefits of each, and even offer some tips on how to select the best policy for our kids. All right, you guys, so whether you are a parent, a grandparent, guardian, an auntie, an uncle, stay tuned and learn why life insurance for kids is an important consideration and one that should not be overlooked. Whole life is what I would recommend typically for kids 0 to about 18. And this type of policy, it provides coverage for the child's entire life, right? So as long as the premium's paid, they've got life insurance. And whole life is typically a bit more expensive than a term policy, but it offers so many more benefits. For example, cash benefits. You can actually accumulate cash with this type of policy. So another permanent policy, and my absolute favorite, is the universal life policy. This policy offers death benefit and also has a savings element to it. I like it also because it's flexible. The premiums can be adjusted to suit your changing life needs, and the value, the cash value that accumulates in the policy can be used for things like your kids' college tuition and last retirement. Is the term policy. So this type of product, and probably the most popular, is a term policy. So it provides coverage for a specific period, right? So typically 10, 20, 30 years, and term is typically less expensive than a permanent life policy. So here are some tips when trying to decide which one of these policies is best for your child. Number 1, determine your child's need. Consider the child's age, health, future financial needs. For example, if your child has a special needs like mine does, you may want to choose a policy that provides lifelong coverage. Number 2, compare the policies. So do your research the different types of policies, and consider factors again like premiums, the benefits, the policy terms. And number 3, consider the cash value. So if you choose a policy with the savings component, consider the cash value accumulation over time. So this can be an important factor if you plan to use the policy to help pay for your kids' future expenses like college. Finally, think long term. So remember that life insurance for kids, it's an investment in their future. So before you choose a policy, choose the policy that can grow with your child's changing needs over time. Just by following these tips, selecting the right policy for your child, contacting your insurance agent, you can provide your kids with financial security and peace of mind for many, many years to come. I hope you found this helpful.